Die meisie self, Whitney Houston, say my love, take me for what I am. I don't want to have to look where we know further. I don't want to where to go, where die do vouwen. Meisie, sonder twyfel, Whitney Houston, nummer 1 meisie, vir hy spot as jy die, want to go. Wie is die? Dit nog is die. Dit is die nie Smith mannetjie nie. Sam Smith. You say I'm crazy, but you don't think I know what you're doing. And where do... nummer 10, Sam. Dankie julle, Kubai, tot volgende keer. Moet ek nog doen? Laat weet my.